In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Linear Regression Curve, or LRC, in Robinhood Legend. Start by going to Robinhood Legend. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Look for the indicators icon located just below the Add Widget option. When you find it, click on the Indicators icon to open the Indicators menu. Inside this menu, select Add Indicator to view the full list of available indicators that you can add to your chart. After selecting Add Indicator, you will see a list of indicators on the screen. Scroll through the available options to find Linear Regression Curve, or use the search box to type it directly for quicker access. When you locate Linear Regression Curve, click on it to add it to your chart. The indicator will then appear on your screen automatically and become active on your chart view. Once it is added, move your attention to the chart area where the Linear Regression Curve is now displayed. Take a moment to visually confirm that the curve is properly aligned with the price movement and that it is displaying smoothly across the chart before continuing. After confirming it is added, proceed to adjust its configuration. Look for the Settings option associated with the indicator. Click on Settings to open the Customization panel. Inside the Settings panel, you will be able to modify how the linear regression curve appears on your chart. You can adjust parameters, such as sensitivity, visual style, and curve behavior depending on how detailed you want your analysis to be. As you make adjustments, the changes will immediately reflect on the chart display, allowing you to fine-tune the indicator in real time. Once you are done customizing, simply exit the Settings panel to return to your chart view. The linear regression curve will remain active and continue updating on your chart as you analyze price movements. You can repeat these same steps anytime you need to adjust or reapply the indicator.